Ready to kickstart your career? Do you want to increase your current CTC? This is Sai Fernandra from SQL School. Over 2 decades, we have been into various technology trainings, projects, consultings, and 100% placement support activities. We are here to bring you the very important and much in demand trending job role DBA, Database Administrator. We have lot of ways to become a DBA. You can choose Oracle or Microsoft SQL, Postgres, MySQL, IBM DB2 and lot more. In this short video today, let's understand more about Oracle DBA training that we offer from our profound SQL School Training Institute. To ensure nice CTC, to ensure job safety, to ensure a consistent growth in our technical career, I vote for DBA. In our Oracle DBA course, we are going to learn the complete step-by-step activities right from installations, configurations, patchworks, updates, upgrades, tuning, troubleshooting, security, and lot more, including optimizations and cloud migrations. In this Oracle DBA course, we are going to learn good number of activities pertaining to WAL activities, monitoring, including HADR, high availability and disaster recovery solutions. We are going to cover errors and troubleshooting strategies, including security strategies, optimization activity strategies, and more. The training will be handled either by me or my talented, experienced trainers. All our classes are 100% practical, step by step. We are here for you to ensure complete practice-oriented use case scenarios with one-to-one resume guidance, concept-wise FAQs, concept-wise assignments, weekly reviews, and lot more. Do reach us for a free demo. Sign up today. Thank you so much. See you there in the live class.